Ever wonder how dairy farmers keep their cows healthy and producing top sales quality milk?
It all starts with feeding them the right way.
This is TMR, Tindest Total Mixed Ration. Think of it as a complete, a perfectly balanced meal for your cows, mixed all together in one feed.
A TMR usually includes forages like hay and silage.
The TMR usually includes forages like hay and silage, grains for energy, plus protein, vitamins, and minerals. Every bite gives the cow exactly what she needs. Why does this matter? With TMR, cows get a consistent diet every time,
which keeps them healthy, improves digestion, and helps boost milk production. Cows on a well-mixed TMR don't just stay healthier, they produce more milk, and the quality is better compared to cows fed separate ingredients at different times.
And here's the best part. Farmers can easily adjust the TMR formula as needed.
That means every cow gets exactly what she needs, while minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. So whether you run a small dairy or a large herd, Total Mixed Ration is the key to healthier cows and higher milk yields by twist naturally.
Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more dairy tips and modern farming strategies.